In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a field required in Jira using field configurations. If your team regularly creates bug tickets or other issues without filling in important details like priority, fixed version, or component, this setup can help keep your backlog cleaner and your reporting more reliable. Jira gives administrators a centralized way to control which fields must be completed. So instead of reminding people manually, you can enforce the rule directly in the form. To begin, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira cloud site using your organization's Jira URL or your Atlassian sign-in page. After you've logged in and the main dashboard has loaded, look to the top right area of the screen and click the settings gear. This is where you'll access the administrative controls needed to adjust issue field behavior. Once the settings menu opens, find and select issues. That takes you into the main issues administration area, where Jira stores settings related to fields, workflows, and issue behavior across your environment. Next, move to the left-hand sidebar and look for field configurations under the fields section. Click it to open the list of available field configuration schemes. On this page, locate the configuration connected to the project you want to update, then click Configure on the right side of that row. This opens the detailed list of fields controlled by that configuration. You'll now see a full table of available fields, including both standard and custom ones. To make this easier, use the Search for Fields box near the top of the page. Type the name of the field you want to enforce, such as description or priority. Jira will filter the list in real time so you can quickly find the exact field you need. When the field appears, look across to the right side of its row. You should see a link labeled Required near the other field controls. Click Required once. As soon as you do, Jira updates the configuration and marks that field as mandatory. You'll typically see this reflected with a red asterisk, which is Jira's visual indicator that the field must be completed. Before you finish, it's a good idea to test the change. Go back to your project and click the Create button at the top of the screen to open the issue creation form. Check that the field now shows as required with the red asterisk. Then try submitting the form without entering a value in that field. Jira should block submission and show a validation message confirming that the rule is active. Once that works, your updated issue form is live and your team will be required to provide that information going forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.